Do you want to know how you can sign up for Hotpot AI? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can sign up for Hotpot AI. Go ahead and search for Hotpot AI sign up and click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to this page. Go ahead and write down your email address and let's create a password for your account. After you create a password, go ahead and check it once and then click sign up. After you click sign up, a mail will be headed to your email address which you have just sent a mail. You can go ahead and check your mail and you can start using your account. As you can see that you have already logged into your account and you have signed up to your account as well. So guys, this is how you sign up for Hotpot AI. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.